In this video, we're going to talk about how to buy Charles Schwab stock. So this is actually quite easy, and I'm going to tell you how to do it in a few easy steps. So first thing, you will have to open a brokerage account. If you don't already have one, you will have to choose a reputable online broker. So for example, Charles Schwab itself, Fidelity, TD, Ameritrade, etc. Okay, you can use any of them where the Charles Schwab stock is available to be bought. Now you will then have to complete the account setup process by providing your personal information and verifying your identity via your tax numbers, ID, your location, etc. Okay, so that's essentially the first step. Then second step would be you would have to fund your account, which means you'll have to deposit money into your brokerage account, and this can typically be done via a bank transfer, wire transfer, or simply via a check. Now, to ensure your funds are cleared and available for trading, you will have to do this, okay? So make sure it says that everything is fine and you can start trading. Then what you'll have to do is search for the Charles Schwab stock itself. So you'll have to log into your brokerage account and then use the search tool to find the Charles Schwab stock. So usually for Charles Schwab, the symbol is SCHW, okay? So look for this one in case nothing comes up when you type in Charles Schwab. Then what you'll have to do is review the stock's current price, historical performance, and other relevant information. And then you'll have to decide on the type of order. Now you can buy the stock at the current market price, or you can, of course, make a limit order, which will essentially specify the maximum price you're willing to pay or the minimum price you're willing to sell it for in the future. So you can use a stop order or stop limit order, which is used for triggering purchases at specific price levels. You'll see that at your broker, and you'll easily get to understand what this all means. Then you will simply have to place your order, so you'll have to enter in the number of shares you want to purchase and then choose your order type, and then you'll have to review the details before submitting your order. Now after buying, you'll then have to keep track of your investment through the brokerage account, and you'll of course have to regularly review Charles Schwab's performance and financial news if you would like to follow the stocks up. So that's pretty much it. That's how to buy Charles Schwab stock. It's that easy. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.